Welcome to the latest edition of Engineering Hydrogen Solutions, your source for the technologies, projects and innovations shaping the global hydrogen economy. In this July and August 2026 issue, we explore major developments across hydrogen production, transportation, compression technology, instrumentation and industrial safety, highlighting the engineering solutions helping accelerate the transition to a low-carbon future. Let's take a look inside. One of our headline stories examines the completion of Sicily's first hydrogen valley. Lhyfe has supplied advanced hydrogen compression technology for the H2 Farm project, one of Italy's first operational renewable hydrogen valleys. The facility combines two 1-megawatt PEM electrolyzers capable of producing around 37 kilograms of hydrogen every hour, with integrated compression, storage and transport systems designed for commercial-scale operation. The article explores why compression remains one of the most critical engineering challenges in hydrogen infrastructure, and how Lhyfe's modular hydraulic compressor technology is helping transform renewable hydrogen from concept into reality. We also explain the UK's upcoming carbon border adjustment mechanism. From January 2027, businesses importing hydrogen, steel, aluminium, fertiliser and cement into the UK will need to begin keeping records ahead of the introduction of the new carbon tax regime. If your organisation imports materials used within hydrogen projects, this feature explains what you need to know and how to prepare. Another major feature looks at how Lhyfe is strengthening Europe's hydrogen supply chain. The company has expanded its fleet to 84 next-generation hydrogen transport containers, creating one of Europe's largest dedicated green hydrogen logistics networks. You'll discover how integrated production, digital logistics, and specialist transport are enabling renewable hydrogen deliveries across multiple European countries while supporting industrial decarbonisation. Instrumentation plays a vital role in every hydrogen project. Our feature with Pressure Vacuum Level Limited explores why accurate pressure, flow, temperature, vacuum and level measurement are fundamental to hydrogen production, storage, transportation and refuelling. The article examines how modern instrumentation improves safety, increases efficiency, and supports predictive maintenance across the hydrogen value chain, while showcasing technologies designed specifically for demanding hydrogen applications. We also feature the ESI Technology HP10 OOH hydrogen pressure transmitter, designed for pressures up to 5,000 bar. This specialist transmitter has been engineered specifically for hydrogen service, using hydrogen-compatible materials tested to recognise international standards. As hydrogen infrastructure continues to expand worldwide, accurate and reliable pressure measurement has never been more important. Elsewhere in this issue, we cover innovative explosion-proof slip ring technology for hazardous environments, explore how high-speed industrial doors can help manufacturers manage rising temperatures during extreme weather, and feature the latest hydrogen industry products, news and upcoming events from across the sector. If you're involved in hydrogen production, storage, transportation, safety, instrumentation or clean energy engineering, this latest edition is packed with valuable technical insight and industry news. Visit www.engineeringhydrogensolutions.com to read the complete digital magazine and stay up to date with the latest developments shaping the hydrogen industry. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your colleagues. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next edition of Engineering Hydrogen Solutions.